See, I got some popcorn, some crackers, and some bread out there. And some potato chips. Popcorn, crackers, bread, potato chips, plus a little pan of water over there for the birdies. For the birdies. Let's see, where's that pan of water? Right there. See, right there it is. There's a little pan of water for them. It's not a plastic pan of water for the birds. And then I got popcorn. See if I can get this in focus again. Okay, so I got popcorn, bread. There's little pieces of Pop-Tart out there, crackers, and potato chips. That's what I got out there for them, for the little birdies. And mostly sparrows come up here. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like without any kind of magnification. That's what it looks like. See, I got a garbage bag that I cut, and then I taped it down with packing tape. And I got the plastic water dish over there with water in it. And then I got crackers, popcorn, pieces of Pop-Tart, and bread pieces. They like it. The birds like all that. They'll tear that popcorn up. But today is 8/8/2015. That's what it looks like without magnification. It's on my balcony. I got a little balcony. It's probably about 10 foot by 4 foot. And then it's got the railing. Air conditioning over there. Okay, so it goes from over there. See the railing. It goes across like that. I got the garbage bag that I cut and then taped down with packing tape. And I got the water dish for the birdies. And then there's the air conditioning. And there's the other railing side. And this is the I'm looking through it's a sliding glass door. See. I'm looking through a sliding glass door. That side has a screen on it. And this is just an unmovable side. And there's the groundhog down there. Let's see. Right there he is. You can see him. Barely see him. Now if I magnify it, I got this magnified for closer vision. But let me see if it does. If I can still see it, I doubt it. I can see close vision. Popcorn and different stuff. But as far as the long vision, I don't think so. Maybe surprise me. See if I can find him. He's going over there. Oh, there he is. He's right there. It's hard to see him. It's hard to see through this thing, through an iPhone. See, where is he? It's over there by the air conditioner. It's not the air conditioner, but okay, he's out of picture. Oh well.